विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. दोनापावल मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलाची शुक्रारा बसका जाली. मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलाची गोंयान पायाच्या रिकरंट बोन ट्यूमर काडपा खातीर पथदर्शी शस्त्रक्रिया यशस्वी थारल्या. आर्डिक स्कुआ खातीर दोनापावलाच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Because we have conducted a surgery which lasted more than 14 hours with multidisciplinary team in this hospital and probably in this state for the first time. He is a patient of bone tumor. He is a patient of bone tumor, which is a very highly malignant type of bone tumor, which had been treated by different units in 3 occasions and 3 failed surgeries, and he landed to us having got the advice that his leg needs to be amputated. So when he came to us, this was the background. A patient, young boy with a bone tumor, with the advice that his leg has to be amputated. Now, I've been practicing in orthopedics for almost 40 years in this state, and I've seen a whole lot of change in the concept of orthopedics over a period of time, and especially I've been seeing a lot of change in the concept of tumor surgery, bone tumor surgery over the last few years.
So we took up this challenge and we could actually remove the tumor out, take the infection out, and give him such sort of a construct in that area, which is a very, very rare area for the tumor to come down in the lower end of the leg. And we had a long-term vision of trying to make him walk. And at the same time, we were ably helped by the plastic surgery team also to actually cover that area where the gap was there. You know, we call it a big defect by doing a flap, microvascular flap surgery with anastomosis, which took quite some time also.